Ever wondered just how big the universe really is? What if I told you there are stars so massive they could fit over 1,700 suns inside? Get ready for space facts that will leave you speechless. Facts so mind-blowing, they'll change the way you look at the cosmos forever. Fact number 1. The largest star is so big, it can fit over 1,700 suns. Can you imagine something so massive that it could fit 1,700 suns inside of it? Well, that's exactly how big UY Scuti is, the largest known star in the universe. This red supergiant is so huge that it would stretch past Jupiter if placed where our Sun is. It's hard to even comprehend how colossal this star is, but it's out there making its presence known in the Scutum constellation. Isn't it mind-blowing to think about just how small our Sun really is in comparison? Fact number 2. Neutron stars are so dense. A teaspoon would weigh as much as a mountain. Imagine a teaspoon full of matter that weighs as much as a mountain. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, formed when massive stars collapse under their gravity. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons. The gravitational forces are so strong that the atoms are squished together tightly, making these stars incredibly compact. It's almost impossible to wrap your head around the level of density they hold. Fact number 3. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the solar system's mass. Did you know that 99.86% of the solar system's mass is made up of our Sun? That means everything else in our solar system, planets, moons, asteroids, and even the dwarf planets, only make up 0.14% of the total mass. The Sun is so huge that it dominates the entire solar system, with its massive gravity holding everything in orbit. It's the powerhouse that keeps the planets spinning around it. Fact number 4. There's a planet made of diamond, 55 Cancri A. 55 Cancri A, an exoplanet located about 40 light-years away, is thought to be made mostly of diamond. This planet, known as a super-Earth, is packed with carbon, and under the extreme conditions, it transforms into diamonds. Imagine walking on a planet where the ground is literally made of diamonds. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's real and exists far beyond our own solar system. Fact number 5. Space is expanding faster than the speed of light. It sounds unbelievable, but space itself is expanding faster than the speed of light. This means that galaxies are moving away from each other at a speed greater than light can travel. The cause of this rapid expansion is something called dark energy, and scientists are still trying to understand how it works. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, and it's actually speeding up over time. That's a pretty wild concept to think about. Fact number 6. Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets. Did you know that Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system? While most planets rotate counterclockwise, Venus spins clockwise, making it unique. This means that on Venus, the Sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. No one knows for sure why this happens, but scientists think it could be due to a massive collision with another object in the distant past. Fact number 7. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Imagine a day that lasts longer than a year. On Venus, it takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation on its axis, but it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So, one day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. This odd rotation pattern is due to Venus's slow spin and thick atmosphere, which also traps heat, making the planet one of the hottest in the solar system. Fact number 8. The Moon was once part of Earth. Long ago, the Moon wasn't a separate object at all. Scientists believe the Moon was once part of Earth. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, throwing debris into space. This debris eventually formed the Moon. So in a sense, the Moon is Earth's long-lost sibling, once made from the same material. It's amazing to think about how our Moon came into existence. Fact number 9. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Yes, you read that right. There's a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space. This cloud, which contains glycolaldehyde, a type of alcohol, is about 1,000 light-years away. It's located in a region where new stars are being born, and this alcohol could play a role in the formation of life. It's a surprising and intriguing find, suggesting that the ingredients for life might be scattered all across the universe.